If you are tired of website opening in mobile view on Android phone, this simple trick will help you. In this guide, we will learn how to automatically open website in desktop mode using the Google Chrome browser on Android. Normally, when you visit a website on your phone or tablet, Chrome loads the mobile version because it optimized for smaller screen. However, some websites hide important feature in mobile view and many users prefer for the full desktop version instead. To enable desktop mode automatically, first open Chrome browser on your Android device. Next, tap the three dots menu icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. Once you are inside the settings page, scroll down until the find Advanced section. Under the section, tap on Site Settings. After opening Site Settings, scroll down again and look for the option called Desktop Site. Open it and turn on Request Desktop View. That's it. From now on, whenever you open website in Chrome, they will automatically load in desktop mode instead of mobile view. This is very useful for viewing full website feature, editing documents using web tools, or browsing website exactly like on computer. Hope this tutorial help you. Remember, like the video, subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell for more helpful Android tips and tricks. Hope you understand.